we ask our guests to take their places in the meeting room. You will see that seats have already been assigned. For technical and organisational reasons, we ask you to kindly not move the place cards and to keep the same arrangement. Good. If you're all ready, we can begin.
Hello there, colleagues, and welcome. I'm Marco Palazzi, a fellow colleague and general practitioner. I've been asked to participate in this seminar to show you a few clinical cases. For this purpose, I've chosen some of my patients whom I'd like you to meet.
I can finally show you the equipment you have in front of you. It's known as PIU, which means Personal Interaction Unit.
Good. Let's begin.
Can I come in?
Ah, good morning, Franco.
Good morning, Doctor.
So how are you then? I haven't seen you for quite a while. So what's wrong exactly?
I'm not feeling at all well, Doctor. You have to do something. I need a strong painkiller that'll take away this awful hip pain that I've got here.
Just a moment, Franco. What exactly is the problem?
I've got a pain here that goes right down to my knee. My right leg is killing me.
And how long have you had this pain?
Well, it's been bad for 2 weeks.
Previous episodes?
I've had a few painful bouts in the past, but they disappeared immediately when I took a painkiller in a sachet. Then about 3 months ago, the pain came back, on both sides.
Then?
Well, the pain worsened and now it's constant.
So what do you think? Could it possibly be arthrosis of the hip, for example?
Here's a list of options from which to choose. I see that none of you have expressed your choice. You're welcome. There's a significant majority, even though not unanimous.
I am in complete agreement with you. The clinical history suggests the possibility that the patient may be suffering from a form of bilateral coxarthrosis, which is more evident in the right hip. With reference to asymmetry of the coxofemoral, the nature of the pain and the topography. And then what happened?
Well, after a while, I felt a really strong pain in my hips again. Very, very strong.
And now it's over to you. What would you do?
You can consult each other. Only 2 of you have not yet chosen. How did you choose? We'll look at it together.
Good. Now let's have the next question.
No. Absolutely.
Excuse me.
Ah, good morning, Franco.
Good morning, Doctor. Here are the x-rays.
Ah, thanks. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Well then, let's see. Do you feel they're sufficient to formulate a complete diagnosis?
What would you do?
But I would be curious to know if this phenomenon occurs in normal conditions.
Which test should I carry out to start investigations?
In your opinion, which test did I ask for?
Does it cause cross-resistance with other hormonotherapies?
Now, which tests would you have asked for?
Are you in agreement with the colleague's choice, or would you prescribe further hematochemical tests?
It has minor effects on the endometrium.
Are you satisfied with these values?
And which laboratory tests would you ask for firstly?
Have you got any further suggestions? At this point, do you feel able to come up with an accurate diagnosis? Or do you think it would be right to carry out further tests? Thank you, colleagues, for the valuable contribution you've given to this case.